Hi, my name is Matthew Baker. I'm a partner in the environmental litigation group at Baker Botts, and I'm here to talk about technology considerations in the midst of a crisis. It's a pretty broad topic, but generally, when we think and talk about technology during a crisis, we usually mean either legal considerations, such as data preservation and collection, privacy considerations, such as compliance with domestic or foreign privacy laws and data protection laws, or finally cybersecurity, including response to cyber attacks or proactive cyber preparedness. In the midst of a crisis, information is key. The energy and industrial sectors typically employ a mixture of both modern and legacy technology. So knowing where the key information rests and how to preserve and collect it in a way that's defensible and immediately useful can set the posture for the overall response efforts. The Baker Botts response team offers clients that deep bench of experience necessary to properly address these unique technological considerations before or during a crisis. Companies will generally have preservation obligations when an incident is likely to result in governmental investigations or litigation. Data preservation strategies can and should change, though, depending on the incident and the parties involved. If, however, a matter is expected or anticipated to turn criminal, companies should deploy strategies at the outset of the response efforts that align with a prosecutor's expectations. This proactively addresses issues that could lead to allegations like spoliation or, in extreme circumstances, obstruction. The Baker Botts response team is uniquely situated to know the ins and outs of a criminal investigation, which also allows us to proactively address these technological issues and concerns thoughtfully and defensively. If a multinational company, for example, experiences an incident that results in cross-border informational needs, there are strict and sometimes complicated privacy regulations that require skillful navigation. A regulator or prosecutor, for example, may not be sympathetic to delays in accessing or acquiring certain requested information. But the Baker Botts response team has a deep bench of knowledge and experience navigating these cross-border considerations. In addition, the energy and industrial sectors are increasingly becoming targets of cyber attacks, which could lead to catastrophic events in certain instances. Because of the mix of operational and informational technology, cybersecurity preparedness and response strategies presents unique issues that require unique experience. Without taking appropriate measures to strengthen systems and implement security policies, companies could be so vulnerable that a threat actor could take down or significantly impact a system, including causing catastrophic failures that could affect safety of employees or the community. At this point, the response team requires unique experience to mitigate, remediate, and respond to the incident. First, understand the technology already deployed. This is one of the biggest challenges companies face today. Companies should then develop processes and procedures for securing that technology, whether that's segmenting them, strengthening them, or isolating them in some way that protects them to the best of their ability. You also must continually reassess those policies and procedures to ensure they're adequate for the threats that continue to evolve and emerge. The Baker Botts response team has unique experience assisting clients to proactively prepare for a cyber incident. Such preparation can make the difference between an event and a disaster.